Hi everyone and welcome to Lesson 25. I keep forgetting to write that down, so I'll just start off by doing that. Lesson 25. We're going to learn about area as a difference. Go ahead and copy this shape onto your paper. And this will be a very interesting lesson because I think some of you might think, hey, they didn't give me enough information. Your job is to find the area of the shape and note that units are in meters. So that means we need to figure out what the shaded portion is. How many meters squared would that be? Now you might think, well, I don't know about the area because I don't know the area of this shape right here. Well, let's go ahead and do a little bit deeper thinking. We know that the length of this side is 12, and we know that part of this side is 6 meters long. So what do you think the rest of the side would be if this part is 6? Well, if you said 6, that was correct, because if this is 6, then this must be the rest, which would be another 6 meters. That's very good logic. Let's go ahead and look at the side now. If this side is 8 meters long, and we know that this part is 4 meters long, then what do you think this little bit would be? If you said 4 meters, you are correct, because if this is 4, then this would be the remainder of that side, or 4 meters. So this would allow us to calculate the size of this little missing part. So let me explain this. We know that, let's pretend that this whole thing was a chocolate bar, a gigantic chocolate bar. So before someone took this huge bite out of the huge chocolate bar, it used to be 8 meters long and 12 meters wide. So it used to be 96 meters squared. Then someone came along, and as we figured out, this is 4, this is 6, so 4 times 6 is 24. Someone came along and ate 24 square meters of our chocolate bar. Now remember, the original question was, what is the area of this section, or how much chocolate do we have left? Well, all we'd have to do is take 96 meters squared minus 24 meters squared, and we would get 72 meters squared. So there are a few steps for solving problems like this. First of all, we needed to use logic to figure out the missing sides, and then we would find the area of the whole shape, and then we would subtract any of the missing areas or the missing shapes to get the final answer. So one word of advice, remember what the original question says. If you were just so excited about figuring out the missing sides and you stopped there, that wouldn't be the right answer. If you got all excited about multiplying 8 times 12 and finding the area of this whole rectangle, that wouldn't be the answer. If you multiplied 4 by 6 and figured out the area of this little bit, that also wouldn't be the answer. You need to take the whole rectangle minus the small rectangle to get the final answer. So that would be my word of encouragement to you as you work on Lesson 25, area as a difference. Let me know if you have any questions.